Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to start a free return on eBay on a purchase that you made on eBay. And that's actually, it only applies to sellers that accept free returns. Otherwise you will be responsible to ship the item. But those sellers who offer free returns, this is how you initiate a free return. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to my eBay, and then you click on purchase history. And the purchase history, you scroll down, and whichever item you want to return, you simply click on the return. But these don't have a return button yet because they haven't been delivered yet. So the ones that have been delivered, you have a return this item, return this item, return this item, and so on. So none of these are the items that I would like to return. What I want to return is in page 2. So I go to the second page, and in the second page I scroll down, and this is the one I want to return, and click on return this item. Once you clicked on return this item, it will ask you if you want a refund or another one just like it or whatever. So you choose a refund. The reason it's doesn't work or defective, whatever reason it is. So in my case, it's a defective unit. And right here, you click, you write whatever the reason is. So this one will not sync with phone, and then you click on request a return. Once you click on request a return, you will be given print return label, and this is where you will click to return that item. So I will be clicking here, and the label is generated, and all I have to do is print the return label, put it on the box, and send it back. It's just as simple as that. That's how you create a return on eBay. So if I want to return print, I click on print, and the downloaded file is complete, and you could see it as PDF, or you could actually print it and return it. Okay, I hope that was helpful and easy. Please make sure to like and subscribe.